I just got an alert that a package was just delivered to my front door. Let's take a look. And there it is. Who's this from? Lensbaby out of Portland, Oregon. Well, here we are. Package came, and I thought we'd do something that I've never done before, and that's a box opening and then a product impression and then product review. So let's start it out by opening up the package. Let's see what's in here. Lensbaby Sol 45. There's a little thank you card by Craig Strong there. That's nice. A field guide. It's old school, where you can actually take notes, because there's going to be a lot of stuff that's not on that EXIF file. Here is a thing that no one seems to know what it is, but I think it's some kind of little magnet, so a refrigerator magnet. Here's a, what's this say? This says eye candy. What is this? Rescued from the guts of Lensbaby R&D, this imperfect brilliance is looking for an eye lens for which to reveal its unique perspective. Well, that's pretty fascinating. I'm not sure what it's doing there. A lens on the iPhone. A little sticker. Nice. So here is the lens itself, the Sol 45 from the Fuji X-mount. Gives me a little flummoxed here how this opens. There we go. There we are. Something here that shows how it works. You can unlock, you can tilt that lens, or you can lock it, line it up, and lock it in place. Like that. Just to have a focus right there. That should be my X mount. And there's the famous bokeh blades that they have in there as well. Wow, looks interesting. Let's mount her up on the camera. It's a nice look on there. Let's get our first look out of the sky. That's pretty. Actually focus in. It's a little tight for that. He's on. So we should be able to have quite a bit of fun with this guy. Let's go do some videos of Christmas lights and see what we get. Well, it is Christmas time and our Christmas tree is set up, and it's actually one of my things that I photograph quite a bit is the ornaments on the tree. And I just like doing some kind of close-up macro work, and I was thinking this lens might be the kind of fun for that. So we're gonna shoot some video to kind of show a little bit what's going on here. Got some video started. I'm just tilting that lens side to side. The right, the left, the right, left. That is really interesting. We go up and down as well on this. See kind of that intentional blur move on this. We'll move back and do some little further shots away. I'll apologize right away for any poor sound quality. I'm just using the microphone on the iPhone 11 Pro right now. I don't have the lav mic plugged in. We're going to be heading outside pretty quick, and we're going to do some outdoor photographs with this new Sol 45 as well. I think this is going to be a fun lens to play with today. Let's go out in the real world and take advantage of this unique Lensbaby Sol 45 manual focus lens. Well, there you have it, my first ever unboxing and product review featuring the Lensbaby Sol 45. A couple of points about this lens. First of all, it is a manual focus lens, so everything you do, you have to manually focus that lens. There is no autofocus capabilities whatsoever. The other unique thing about this lens is it's a fixed aperture of f3.5, so there's no setting different apertures. You're going to have to rely on the ISO and shutter speed of your camera to change any exposure levels. Another unique thing about this lens is the fact that it does tilt and shift, so you can change that center of focus or the spot that is in focus with an outside edge being blurred around that area. One last thing that makes this lens very unique are those bokeh blades that swing in front of the lens. You can use one, the other, both, however you want to do it, or none, obviously. It changes what the background looks like, those out of focus areas in the background. I did experiment with that. Sometimes I liked it, sometimes I didn't. There's a couple of photographs in there that do show the effect of the bokeh blades. So can I recommend this lens for any photographer? Well, it's a specialty lens. It is not for every photographer. But if you need a creative kick in the seat of the pants to get you out of your rut, this lens, or any Lensbaby lens, may be just the thing that you need to get you out of your rut. Personally, I've absolutely loved using this lens. It's quirky, it's at times difficult, and the manual focus can be frustrating sometimes. Little side note, this entire end video piece I'm filming with this Lensbaby Sol 45 on my Fujifilm camera. I'm going to be doing future videos also on this Lensbaby lens, the Sol 45, so hopefully you'll come along for that journey as well. As always, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel and this is the second or third video that you've watched, that probably means you really should subscribe and hit that bell so that you get notifications every week when a new video posts. For Vintage Illumination Photography, I'm James Fisher. Thanks for watching.